Hey guys, welcome to Holistic Mojo. I'm Sahara Leigh, and this is your June Spirit Mojo. So, in kind of the honoring of summer solstice that has just passed, I want to share with you my solstice and equinox ritual, I guess you would call it. So, whenever it is a solstice or equinox, I like to go out into the forest and build myself a little fire, and I just spend some quiet time sitting with myself and considering my life, thinking about everything that's going on. And I make a list of things I'm ready to let go of. So, people, places, things, thoughts, ideas, emotions, patterns, beliefs, all that jazz, everything that is just not serving me anymore, whether it's something that I picked up that wasn't mine to begin with, or something that I have kind of taught myself throughout the years, just things that aren't working, I've outgrown, or whatever. I like to try to take stock, and I make a list. And then I flip that page over and I make a list of all the things I'm excited about and that I want to bring into my life, all of the dreams and the plans and the new ideas. And yeah, it's just my dreamer list. It's all the things that I'm calling and cultivating into my life. And I make that list. And then I fold that up and I just say a little prayer over the fire, and I toss it in and I watch it burn, and I imagine that the smoke is going up. And this is actually what I tell the kids when we do this, as a way to kind of like visualize things, because they're like, what are we doing, when do we do the hot dogs? So I say we're imagining that this smoke is all of our intentions, both for the things that we're letting go of and the things that we're calling in. It's going up and it's speaking to the moon and the stars and the sun and the ancestors and the angels. Yeah, so that's what I tell the kids. And that's not far from what I'm doing when I'm alone in the forest either. I am just sending those out into the infinite being that is the universe and letting my intentions be known, the things I want to let go of, the things I want to call in. And it's really important, I think, to, especially with the calling in, to not get fixated on things, because we are beings that move and shift and change and grow second to second to second. So it's important to not get too attached to the idea of what we're calling in, because we might change our minds. And I always want to tell people that it's okay to change your mind. You can set an intention today that is not relevant to you tomorrow, and that's fine. That is just something that was moving you on your path towards your future. And we allow those things to propel us forward, and those are beautiful opportunities. So be easy, trust in the bigger picture, trust that everything that is coming to you is already on its way, in its highest and best form. And that's another thing. Always say in the highest and best form, because sometimes we get what we want, not in the easiest, most fun way. So yeah, a little caveat there. Make sure you always say highest and best. So that is our Spirit Mojo for June. Get out there. You don't have to wait till the solstice or equinox. You can do it anytime you want. Anytime you're in the forest, anytime you're quiet with yourself, anytime you're in the toilet. I don't know. Take out any opportunity that you can to shed and to dream. All right. See you next time. Bye.